Welcome everyone. Lego Monday, here we go again. It's last week did the Mandalorian Din Djarin, Mando, whatever you want to call it. Nice little build, I thought. Still don't understand the whole pistol thing, but hey, you do what you do. I like it. And this week we got Grogu, the child, Baby Yoda. That's what I still call him. And sort of looks like fewer pieces. So if you hadn't been watching, basically I'm gonna take a minute, stop it, null these out, and then you'll hear some free music while I assemble it at high speed. But otherwise, I'll see you I'll see you after. I'll talk to you again after the build's done. Be right back. There we have it. Baby Yoda, Grogu, the child, whatever you want to call him, and his daddy. Yeah, it's sort of, it's sort of like the coloring of his body. I don't, it seems like the crib or whatever you call this thing is stroller, space stroller. It's more silver or gray in the show, but I think that's probably just the pieces they had of that shape to make this. I'm satisfied with it. He looks cute, so that's the important thing. Got the big eyes. Of course, got the Mandalorian bodyguard to protect him too. So I say these brickheads. I'm just digging them. They're fun little builds. They're simple. They're not crazy complicated. I've got some sitting in the hopper that are crazy complicated, and I probably need to start working on those, but I like the easy ones better. Next week I'm looking at building another car, so you got that to look forward to. But until then, I hope you enjoy the Transformers this week, because that's going to be my theme. Thanks for watching, everybody. And if you're digging what I'm doing, make sure and subscribe, because there's going to be a lot more.